Good afternoon once again. Thanks for being with us. I'm Chris Willis.
I'm Sally Hernandez. Forecasters say the depression is moving quickly toward the Gulf of Mexico. Could possibly hit the Texas Gulf Coast, the eastern Gulf Coast. Let's take it straight to the First Warning Weather Center. Shawn is tracking that. Can tell us how much rain we could expect from it.
Well, here's the scenario. It's a long way away.
Yeah.
But let's just say the forecast models are correct and it takes it into East Texas and Louisiana. You know how these storm systems come in, they die out, they slow down, and then we get those big heavy rainmakers. That's what we'd feared. Not the hurricane, but the leftovers.
Sure.
So we're going to watch for that carefully. We do have a path from all the forecast models that are out there that show it moving towards East Texas. Now, you know, I know, it's a long way to go, but here's the way things are shaping up. We'll look at that first. As far as the actual mess of cloud cover that forms this system, I've got it in 3D. We're going to slide around and take a look at this in different dimensions. You can see it's starting to look much more like a storm system now, and the track on this, we'll zoom in a little bit, takes it just a little bit north of Havana and south of Miami, continues on into the Gulf of Mexico, and then, of course, we're going to be talking about BP. They're going to have to evacuate if the system is headed that direction, and if it's continuing up towards tropical storm status, they'll have to evacuate, and things will be delayed as far as the BP oil spill. But the latest path right now has it heading into East Texas. Let me flatten this out a little bit. You get a little bit better perspective, and all the borders and such are a little more easily seen. If it were to continue in, hurricane, tropical storm, doesn't matter. It is very likely to move in and draw in a lot of moisture. You remember the storms that we had, like Alex, that moved into Mexico? It wasn't the initial hurricane. It did put a lot of rain in, but then it slows down and stalls out in north central parts of Mexico, and they had 20 inches plus of rainfall. That's going to be the concern. Not trying to scare you, but this is a path that would take it that direction. That would be, and here's the other side of this that I don't like. Sunday evening, Monday time frame for arrival. If it comes in, not everybody's watching TV on the weekend. They're enjoying the weekend. It may be a bit of a surprise for some folks on Monday. Now you know, and we're watching it carefully.